Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable auto scan to automatically capture documents and text in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Next, open up the camera app. Then go to the top and tap on the settings icon. Next in here, tap on Scan Documents and Text. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Then make sure you turn on Scan Documents and Text by tapping on the toggle button. Next, go down and tap on Auto Scan. In here, when you turn it on, the camera can automatically capture documents and text without pressing the shutter button. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to return back to your camera, or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.